Hey there, welcome to our discussion about a fascinating problem involving unsigned 64-bit integers. The problem at hand deals with finding all possible values of x that satisfy a specific bitwise condition when combined with another integer y. Now, let's delve into the solution for this intricate problem. The provided solution offers an efficient approach to identifying all valid x values by creating a tree structure of 64-bit integers. By considering each integer as a node within this tree, solutions correspond to a subtree rooted at 0, allowing for a systematic enumeration. Working from the root, we can determine the highest bits that lead to valid solutions based on the unique bitwise relationship between x and y. This recursive approach efficiently explores and identifies the valid x values that meet the specified condition. In summary, the solution presented offers a structured method for efficiently enumerating all unsigned 64-bit integers x that satisfy a specific bitwise condition when combined with integer y. By leveraging a tree-based approach and recursive exploration, this solution provides a systematic way to identify valid x values. Thanks for tuning in to our discussion today. Feel free to subscribe for more interesting problem-solving content. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. And remember, optimizing bitwise operations can lead to some bite-sized victories in coding.